Okay, I can see now. Can I just see them, please? Yeah, sure. It's always wonderful to be able to
Can we move the cameras back a little bit, please? Yeah, there you go.
You are a gathering of truly incredible individuals. Each of you has made the time and has committed yourself to such an important cause, the cause of children. And all of you have not just made the time to be a part of this cause, but have kept time apart to, studiously study the lyrics of songs, spend hours rehearsing them, and then flying into Mumbai from Delhi and Bangalore, and taking part in this wonderful spirit of competition. I don't really call, Genesis CEO Sing a competition. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for us to celebrate each other and celebrate our commitment to making a difference. We all know that we've all been either born into privilege or have worked our way into privilege. We've worked very hard to achieve what we have. But there are millions of children in India who need our support. And I think if each one of you can spread the good word about the incredible, extraordinary work being done by the Genesis Foundation, then I'm sure you can impact change in many more lives. And I say not just the lives of children, but the lives of all those individuals who you encourage to be a part of this change. Because I think the most extraordinary gift that each one of us receives when we give the gift of life to a child, by saving the life of the child, is the gift of true happiness to ourselves. There is nothing in the world more satisfying, more fulfilling than being able to, or being in a position to impact change, to save the life of an innocent, beautiful child. I have goosebumps saying this, and I know that these are not just thoughts. This is the truth, and it does permeate into our consciousness, and it does take us back home. It truly does. I just want to say a big thank you, Prema, to you and Jyoti for adding so much meaning to my life and my existence. It's wonderful to be a celebrity. It's wonderful to be able to join hands with incredible individuals who are trying to make a difference. But I can't even begin to describe what it means to me each time I meet the children in hospital. It's so much more than writing a check. The easiest thing to do is write a check. But meeting them and spending time with them and seeing their bravado, their spirit, their unflinching enthusiasm for life, despite how difficult their circumstances, they're so unaware of it. They're so innocent. They have no idea how difficult it's been for their parents to get them where they are. How difficult it's been for their parents or their family to find the resources for the treatment they find themselves undergoing. And when I see these little babies smiling unfailingly and just playing, even despite the 100 intravenously that they've endured and the pain of chemotherapy and post-operative pain, it just gives me such a sense of life, and it empowers me, and I am so grateful for that. Thank you. I want to say a special thank you to our judges for making the time and celebrating the spirit of life, and I can't wait to tell you who the winners are. I heard कि मेरे ससुराल और मायके में बहुत तगड़ी आज competition हुई है. Apparently Delhi is very, very close to beating Mumbai. Bombay. Or maybe the other way around. So let's see what the results are, and thank you once again to each and every one of you. Thank you. But remember to spread the word and give those around you the opportunity to give life a chance, and especially more so to themselves. Thank you.
The work that he's done. Lovely. So would you like to say a few words?
I have been treating children with cancer at Wadia Children's Hospital now for more than... I have been treating children with cancer at Wadia Children's Hospital now more than 30 years. And 30 years ago, if you asked me, there was absolutely no scope for these kids. But now, with pride, I can say that we can save more than 80% of these kids. And a lot of this is possible because of the foundation like Genesis Foundation and like people like you who contribute to the resources required for treating these children. I would say that there is a big gap still between the opportunity and the reality. And I think all of us together can very well bridge that gap between opportunity and reality and give these kids a chance to live. Thank you very much.
Doc, before you go, I just want you to share something very important, I think, that each of us should know and should not shy away from. Do you see a significant rise in the numbers of such children who are coming to your hospital now, more than ever before?
Yeah, that's very true. This year we have clocked more than 150 kids with cancer. My hospital takes in only children less than 14 years of age, and just 5 years ago we had about 60 or 70 kids. We are just next door to Tata Hospital. Tata Hospital is a big center. It attracts many more children, but ours is a children's hospital and still has 150 new cases of childhood cancer. Each childhood cancer requires treatment for a long period, at least 1 to 2 years. It costs lakhs of rupees, so it's not very easy to treat these children. And still, we are quite happy. And when, as Dia said a little while ago, when you see the smile on the face of the child, you know that you have made a big difference.
Genesis Foundation. This is my second year where I've attended 40 CEOs sing. And what I really love about the evening is that हम critically ill, underprivileged बच्चों के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन हम गाते हुए, मुस्कुराते हुए, खुशी से करते हैं. क्योंकि I think what we recognize is कि ज़िंदगी ने हमको बहुत अच्छी लाइफ दी है. हम प्रिविलेज में पैदा हुए हैं और हम इस प्रिविलेज को अब्यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम इस प्रिविलेज को रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं और जो हमारे हिस्से का काम है दूसरों तक मदद पहुंचाने का, वो हम कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल इवनिंग. सब बड़े दिल से यहाँ पे मौजूद होते हैं, दिल से परफॉर्म करते हैं और हमेशा बहुत मज़ा आता है टू अटेंड द जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन CEO Sing.
In the peak, how was the experience to interact with the child who is suffering from a disease and what malnutrition they are giving to all the children?
You know, every time I visit the children in hospital, I realize I come away empowered and strengthened. क्योंकि जब आप इतने छोटे कम उम्र के बच्चों से मिलते हैं हॉस्पिटल के बेड में, जहाँ पर उनके 1000 सुइयाँ लग चुकी हैं, कुछ बच्चे कीमोथेरेपी से जा चुके हैं, कुछ बच्चों का हाल ही में हार्ट सर्जरी हुआ है और कितनी मुश्किल से उनके माँ बाप ने पैसे इकट्ठा किए या जेनेसिस फाउंडेशन तक पहुँचे हैं, फिर भी उनके चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट होती है. वो खुश होते हैं, मिलकर खेलने के लिए तैयार होते हैं. ऑब्वियसली वो खेल कूद नहीं पाते, फिर भी इतने प्यार से मिलते हैं और मुस्कुराते हैं. और इस मुलाकात में हमेशा ये एहसास होता है कि हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के बारे में लाइफ में कंप्लेन करते हैं. ज़माने में और भी बहुत बड़े गम हैं, बहुत और बड़े दुख हैं, और अगर हम एक दूसरे का दुख बांट सके तो उसमें ही सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी है. So the kids are beautiful and I love meeting them and I always feel good when I see them.
If you talk about the movie recently, Kabil का और इसका trailer आया,
जी.
you seen that and how was it?
I'm very excited. I'm a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan and so am I a very, very big Hrithik Roshan fan. And I think both films are very unique and very different from each other and I wish them both all the success. It's going to be very interesting to see Hrithik and Yami in the story that you get a sense. My mother was telling me yesterday, ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत दिल को झंझोड़ने वाली कहानी होने वाली है. And of course Raees is loosely based on a true story, so that will also be interesting. I'm very, very excited about both films.
Happy 4th birthday, wish you a happy birthday.
Thank
And
you.
How you celebrate? I've seen birthdays.
It was a wonderful birthday, especially more wonderful because Iran gave me so much love. My recently released Iranian film has done phenomenal business and people have really loved my performance. So मैं बहुत खुश हुई उस बात को सुनकर. 15 साल हुए रहना है तेरे दिल में को बनकर. बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी बड़ी बड़ी ये साल में घटनाएं हुई हैं मेरे ज़िंदगी में जिनके बारे में मैं सोचती हूँ और बड़ी खुशी महसूस होती है. It's been the year of firsts, many firsts. My first little direction that I did with My Kids for Tigers film, my first opportunity to work in an international film, just many firsts and wonderful firsts, and it's been a great year. Thank you.
अगर गिफ्ट की बात करें तो इस बर्थडे पे अगर इस बार के सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट क्या मिला आपको?
I think प्यार होता है हमेशा, और इस बार तो इतना सारा प्यार मिला कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं कैसे इस प्यार को संभालूं. It's always wonderful to receive people's love. वो सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट होता है.
कोई ऐसी विश जो आपने इस बर्थडे में मांगी हो?
I think मेरे लिए सबसे स्पेशल विशेस वही होते हैं जो लोगों के दिल से निकल के आती हैं और वो आप पढ़ के समझ जाते हैं या सुन के समझ जाते हैं. जब लोग कहते हैं कि वो मुझे अच्छा इंसान समझते हैं, वो मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छा विश होता है.